Hey guys, welcome to the sixth video of Module 7. And from here, we are going to build our neural network from scratch. And in this video, we're going to talk about the complete problem statement and the dummy dataset that we'll be building in order to understand that how the neural network is actually going to work. So let's get started. So here comes the problem statement. We are trying to build a neural network from scratch, just like how we had built the linear regression model from scratch with the help of gradient descent. A similar kind of ideology we are going to implement over here, but not for a regression problem. We are going to do it for a binary classification problem. And here is the dataset in front of us with only few rows of data. And then we are having two independent columns and one target column. I know that the dataset is completely small, but for sure, in order to understand that how a neural network works, we can come up with this kind of data and try to create one from scratch and see how it performs for the testing part. However, you can always go ahead and change this kind of data once you understand that how this network works. You can add some more layers over there. You can have more neurons in a particular hidden layer, so on and so forth. You can always change this kind of things. Do fine tuning in your architecture, change the data set and improve the overall metric that you are tracing. Let's say it's accuracy or mean squared error, whatever you are trying to trace. So over here, because we are trying to deal with a binary classification task, we can use the accuracy as our metric. So yes, this is the problem statement that we are trying to solve over here. That's the end of the video over here. I hope you were able to understand the whole problem statement and what type of data set that we are going to use in order to build neural network from scratch. Now in the upcoming video, we are going to look into the shape of the data set, then how are you going to design the neural network, and finally, what are the parameter calculations that are involved with it.